The secret of garlic you never knew. Intro. Look at this. When it catches the light, it shines. But why is that? Is there oil in it? Then why are some of them dry and brownish? Are they still safe to eat? And here are the clearest details of the garlic cloves that we are currently looking at. Today, we're going to reveal all the secrets of garlic. We'll delve into its microscopic world. From why it's shiny, to why it smells so strong, to the effects of eating too much. Are you ready? Segment 1. The mystery of the garlic flash. Take a look back at the first 10 seconds of the video. The garlic reflects light like a gem. It turns out that garlic naturally has a thin layer on its surface. This layer is natural essential oils. Does it shine without light? Of course not. Without light, it simply looks like a white clove with a smooth, slightly moist texture. So, the shine is the interaction of the natural essential oils with the incoming light. What we are observing now under the microscope is the dry, brownish surface of the garlic clove. Segment 2. Brown spots. Danger sign? Is this mold? Is it rotting? Should it all be thrown away? These brown spots could be caused by 3 things. The first is bruising. It's caused by a bump during transport or when we drop it in the kitchen. The cells are damaged, oxidation occurs, and it turns brown. Second is aging. Storing garlic for too long, especially at warm room temperatures, causes it to lose water. It also prepares to sprout. This causes the skin and outer surface to dry out and turn brown. Third is fungus. If the brown spots spread inward, or there are black spots, especially if the cloves are soft, it's a sign of fungal or bacterial infection. So, is it still edible? If the chocolate is only on the surface and the rest is still hard and white, just cut off the chocolate. It's safe. But if it's soft or has soaked into the chocolate, throw it away. Don't force it. Segment 3. Deadly aroma explosion. I once took a whole clove and smelled it. It didn't smell much. Then I crushed it with a knife. Suddenly, the aroma was pungent. Why is that? Inside a garlic cell, one is called alliin, and the other is called the allinase enzyme. They are separated by a cell wall. As long as the garlic is intact, nothing happens. But when we crush it, the cell wall breaks. They meet, and when they meet, a powerful chemical reaction occurs. Alliin meets the allinase enzyme, turning into allicin, and allicin is the monster behind garlic's super strong aroma. Segment 4. The invisible magic oil. Look at it under a microscope. After cutting, a clear, oily liquid emerges. This is garlic essential oil. This clear liquid is a concentrate of allicin and other sulfur compounds. Segment 5. Garlic content. Macronutrient-wise, garlic contains vitamin C for immunity, vitamin B6 for metabolism, and essential minerals like manganese, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and selenium. But most importantly, it contains bioactive compounds. Besides the allicin we've already discussed, it also contains diallyl disulfide, a gene, and various flavonoids. Segment 6. Superpowers for the body. Before we discuss the power of garlic, let's first discuss what appears under the microscope, such as a shiny white. These possible identities are cell walls, vacuoles, and starch granules. There's another one that's shiny black. Possible identities are airspace, concentrated essential oil, and oxidation artifact. And finally, pale yellow. Its possible identities are nucleus, cell nucleus, protein, and concentrated sulfur compound. Let's continue our discussion about the power of garlic on our bodies. First is the heart. The allicin in garlic helps dilate blood vessels. Blood flow becomes smooth. Blood pressure drops. Bad cholesterol, LDL, is suppressed. Second, immunity. Clinically, it reduces the frequency of colds and flu. Even if you do get sick, the duration is shortened. Third, cancer. Regularly consuming raw garlic lowers the risk of stomach and colon cancer. The sulfur compounds in garlic help the body eliminate carcinogenic substances before they can damage cells. Fourth, detoxification. A famous study of battery factory workers exposed to lead revealed that those given garlic extract saw their blood lead levels drop dramatically. Fifth, the brain. The antioxidants in garlic protect brain cells from free radical damage and inflammation. This is important for preventing Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Segment 7. When goodness turns into danger. Garlic is indeed good, but there's a limit. If you eat 5 to 10 raw cloves every day, your body can react. What are the side effects? Number 1 is stomach problems like heartburn, nausea, and diarrhea. The sulfur compounds can irritate the stomach lining. Number 2 is not just bad breath, but bad breath throughout the body. This is because the sulfur compounds enter the bloodstream and are excreted through sweat. Third, garlic is an anticoagulant or natural thinner. This is good for preventing clots. However, if you have a wound, your blood will have difficulty clotting. Fourth, for those with low blood pressure, hypotension, eating too much garlic can cause dizziness and even fainting. Conclusion and closing. So that's garlic. From its mysterious luster, its explosive aroma, to its health benefits and dangers. We hope this video broadens your knowledge for the future. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who enjoy cooking with garlic, but don't yet know all these secrets. Who knows? We might discuss them in the next video. I'll be taking my leave. Happy cooking and stay healthy. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video.